So this is the part 2 for the sum add problem. And just to repeat the instructions for the problem, it's pretty simple. Given two lists that are the same size, we're supposed to find the index or the indices of what two elements in the two lists that add up to the target number. For example here, what number from this list and what number from this list add up to 29? So I'll give a hint out here. The first index, 17 here, 17 added to this 12 will give 29, and that's the only combination, I believe. So we're supposed to return a tuple. Given these two lists and this target number, we're supposed to be given back a tuple containing the indexes or indices of the first one and the index of the second number. So this is the 0 index, this is the 1 index, so 1 is supposed to be the first number returned, and then for here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number in the index 5 of list 2. So here I only made is very short, it's like 4 lines, and this is the brute force method. It's not really reasonable for, if these were like very large lists, like they had thousands of items, you know, tens of thousands of items, then it would be really bad code, because the space and time complexity would just spike and it would not be feasible. So all right, here what I'm doing is I'm just taking I should not call this A, I should call it list 1, sorry about that. And then here this should be called list 2. L1, L2 stand for list 1 and list 2. And then for the range 0 to the length of L1, which is all the from 0 to 5 basically, we'll take the first element of list 1, and then we'll take all the elements of, or the first element of list 2, add them up, see if they equal to the target, and then move to the second element of list 2, and on and on and on until all the elements of list 2 get added to the first element of list 1. If we don't get the target, then we just move up this one to the second element. And then if we do find the target here, we'll return the tuple. If not, we'll return none. So I'll just run it right now. So here we got 1 and 5, and then I'll change this to an impossible number like 100. There's no two numbers in these two lists that can add up to 100, so it should return none. So that's pretty much the implementation, and that's about it for this one.